everyone, we are Loyal Blue Office Furniture, and today is our first time to make the live show. So welcome here, and welcome to thank you for supporting us. And firstly, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Caroline. I'm short hair Caroline.
Okay, my name is Jamie. I have a childish, just boyish name. So just remember me.
This is Bertha, and I'm the tallest girl in the team.
And sweet Jessica.
And you Julia.
It doesn't have shelf and close hangers because the door is smaller than first one door.
The small hole.
Yeah, I can see it.
When the power off, just use the emergency power bank. Then you have enough power. You can use it as the normal process. It's a wrong number. Then turn it. It can open.
Into the drawers from the side of the drawer and the file hanger. You can see we can put our files into this clip.
Well, let me introduce the components of this product, okay? Well, it has 4 wheels, and the material of the wheel rubber, so we can move very smoothly and with no noise. And the 4 wheels with 4 brakes, and the 2 brakes, the 2 wheels with the 2 brakes, and the brakes are rest off and on it.
It is conventional one-tone folding lock. You can see that it can fold, and it can save the space, and it equipped with a spare key. You can see just
so it's very convenient.
And its lock is interlocked lock. This is locked with, and 2 drawers with 1 key.